Good morning, children. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy at your homes. Children, you have already learnt about naming words in the previous videos. Let's recall what naming words are. Naming words are the names of persons, animals, places, or things. Today, in this video, we will learn about special names. But before moving on to special names, first of all, let me tell you what common names are. Naming words, they are of two types, common names and special names. So let's first learn what common names are. Common names are the words used for any person, place, animal or thing. For example, postman, nurse, city, river, cat, etc. These all are what? They all are common names. But when we give a particular name to a person, place, animal or thing, it is called what? It is called a special name. So, special names are what? Special names are the words used for any particular person, place, animal or thing. Let's understand this better with an example. Look at this picture. There are three persons in this picture and they all are girls. So girl is the common name of these persons. But each one of them has a special name. But each one of them has a special name also. Like the first girl. The first girl's special name is what? Sapna. The second girl's special name is Nagma. And the third girl's special name is Anu. So girl is their common name and all three of them have their own special names. Sapna, Nagma and Anu. Just like persons, places also have both common name and special name. For example, country. Country is a common name. But when we say India, Bangladesh or China, then these are the special names of three countries. So country is a common name and India, Bangladesh and China are the special names of three countries. Similarly, days also have special names like Monday, Tuesday, Friday, etc. Same is with months. Months also have special names like July, April, August, etc. In the same way, a book could be any book. But if we give a particular name to a book, then it becomes a special name like the Quran, the Bible. These both of them are special names of two different books. Sometimes we give special names to our pets also. Like Kitty is the special name of a cat. Or you can give any other special name to your cat also. A horse can be named Chetak. So Chetak becomes the special name of a horse. We should always remember that special names always begin with a capital letter. So, special names always begin with a capital letter, no matter where they appear in a sentence. Now look at page number 10 of your grammar book. Here, a very interesting exercise is given, where you will find some common names and special names in this box. So what do you have to do? You have to fill all the common names here and all the special names here. And make sure to write special names with capital letter. Look at the first word. It's what is written? Wall. Wall is what? Common name or special name? Yes, it's a common name. So we will write wall here. House. House is what? It's a common name. So again. Next is Narmada. Do you know what Narmada is? It's the name of a river. So Narmada is a special name. So make sure to capitalize the word. We will write it with a capital letter. Narmada. One more for you and others you will do on your own. The word is Rajasthan. I'm sure you must have heard this name. It's the name of a state. So again it's a special name because it's a particular name of a state. So let's write Rajasthan here. Capital R A J A S T H A N. I am leaving the rest for you. Read the box carefully, read the words carefully, capitalize those which are special and then fill them in the space given below. In the same manner, you have to find special names from this grid. First is the special name of a day. Find it out. Next is a month. Okay, let's have a look at the second one first. A book. Again, the name is given in the grid. A city you have to find, a river, a month, a festival, a country, and our country. And the ninth one is the city in which we have the Taj Mahal. I'm sure you must have visited this place. So I'm leaving this for you. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Do it carefully in the book. That is all for today. Thank you.